name is Lauren Fallmeyer with University of Missouri Extension. Welcome to our test kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing an easy salmon wrap that's perfect for a quick, simple lunch to go. It features lots of fresh veggies. And like I said, it comes together really, really quickly. It'll take us longer to cut the veggies than it will for us to put the whole thing together. So here we go. So I have a bar of cream cheese that I'm going to add to our bowl here. I'm going to then add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of light Italian dressing. So I've got 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to add a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. So I'm going to take our spatula. Like I said, we softened our cream cheese. Splash! Oh my goodness. This is real life cooking. I mean, if you can't have a splash of Italian dressing and cream cheese in your face, I mean, really, what kind of life are you living right now, right? So I'm going to use my spatula and slowly mix this up. So basically what we're doing is we're creating kind of like a base spread. So instead of using like mayonnaise, mustard, things like that, the cream cheese base is going to be kind of our sandwich spread. All right, so I've got it all kind of smooth together here. Then I'm going to add in 1 small can of canned salmon. So I have our sandwich spread kind of ready to go here, our wrap spread. Another way that I like to add flavor or even color to these wraps, this is a tomato basil wrap. You can get spinach wraps, you can get all sorts of different types of wraps, but we went with the tomato and basil wrap today. So I'm going to take a little bit of our sandwich spread, use my spatula, go all over our tortilla with it, a little bit more, and you kind of go all the way to the edges. It's kind of like making a pizza in a way. I'm going to take my serrated knife and just do some nice thin slices of our tomato. I'm going to take that and I'm going to line it up right down the middle of our wrap. Then I have some pre-diced cucumbers here. They've already been seeded. We're just going to sprinkle those all over. You could add some cheese to this if you wanted. We already have the cream cheese, but you could add really any kind of ingredient in there that you like. And so I'm going to just do a sprinkling of spinach all the way across. Like I said, this is a great way. Kids can customize their own wrap sandwich. They could, make these for school lunch. All sorts of really great options available here. Then I'm going to take and I'm just going to slowly wrap, kind of like a burrito in a way, our sandwich. And just like that, you've got a snack, you've got an easy lunch, simple ingredients, you can build them the way that you want. And like I said, what I really like about this is that you have all of these different flavors, colors, textures, and you're good to go. I'm going to give it a shot here. Super good. Crunchy, super good, super easy. Like I said, you can do this in really short order with your family. If you like this recipe and you want to see others that are similar to this, make sure you check out our website, extension.missouri.edu, and just search Seasonal and Simple, and you'll find recipes just like this and others along with it. Leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think of our recipes. Have a good day. Bye.